Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn, and today I'll show you how to check for updates on your Edge browser. So once you have your Edge browser open, it's very simple to do. So if you take a look on the upper right corner, you'll see three dots, which is right here, and these are settings and more. So if you click on it, then here there are two options or two different ways you can check for updates. So the first one is if you scroll down all the way, and here help and feedback, if you put your cursor on it, then it's going to give you some more options, and if the last option is going to be about Microsoft Edge, and if you click here, then here what's happening that Microsoft Edge is going to automatically check for updates, and if there are updates, then it's going to start downloading and installing them on your browser, and then you have to just restart the browser from here. Now you're not seeing anything because it has been already updated, so that's why it doesn't show that there are any updates. So I'm just going to close here, and the next way you can check for updates is that again click on the upper right corner, three dots, settings and more, and from here if you go to settings again, which is the whole button right here, so click on it, and from here if you look for about Microsoft Edge, which is going to be the very last option, and if you click here, then you can see that it's taking you to the same screen like we were before, and from here it's going to show you if any updates is available, and it's going to start installing the updates and applying them on your browser. So that's how you check your Microsoft Edge browser update. For the next video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.